Welcome to part 5 of creating a 3D layered mandala. In the previous video, we transformed our SVG design into a 3D model using Blender. Now, in this video, I'll show you how to take that model and achieve a realistic render using Maverick Studio. Please note that for optimal performance, you'll need a powerful NVIDIA GPU, and it's important to be aware that Maverick Studio is a paid program. So, let's dive in and create stunning, lifelike renders of our mandala design. Maverick Studio provides a vast library of materials, including metals, plastics, and wood, which can be easily applied to our mandala design. With a simple drag and drop, we can assign these materials to individual layers or directly onto the entire object. If you have a powerful GPU, you'll experience near-instant previews of the applied materials. To begin, let's remove the default objects and bring our mandala design into Maverick Studio. This will allow us to explore the exciting possibilities and see how different materials can elevate the visual impact of our 3D layered mandala. I'm using the merge function to incorporate our mandala design into an existing scene. This feature is handy when you already have a scene set up and simply need to add your object to it. During the import process, you have the flexibility to flip the design to the desired orientation. Additionally, Maverick Studio provides options for custom scaling, allowing you to adjust the dimensions of the imported object to suit your needs. By checking the values in the X, Y, and Z axes, you can easily determine the size of the mandala within the scene. To ensure that the mandala is positioned correctly within the scene, I typically click on the front option when importing it into Maverick Studio. However, if the mandala is oriented in a different direction, I can easily rotate it to the desired position using the available rotation controls. After selecting the mandala layer, you can click on the Zoom selection option in Maverick Studio to fit the mandala within the viewport. This automatically adjusts the zoom level to ensure the entire design is visible. To zoom in and out of the mandala for a closer look, simply use the mouse wheel. This allows you to examine the details and make precise adjustments. If you find a particular viewpoint or angle that you like, you can save it as a viewport. This way, even if you move the design around to experiment with different materials, you can always click on Home to return to that saved view. In the Render tab, you have the option to specify the dimensions of your final render. You can set the desired width and height to achieve the desired output size. To optimize the rendering process, you can adjust the sampling settings. A value of 9 to 10 can provide a good balance between quality and speed, allowing for faster rendering times. Additionally, activating the AI denoiser can help reduce noise in the final render, resulting in a cleaner and smoother image. When it comes to output, you can select the desired format for your rendered image. Furthermore, you can specify the location where you want to save the image on your computer. As you continue to test different materials and environments, you may accumulate a large number of unused materials in the Material tab. This can slow down the program and make it more challenging to navigate through the materials. To address this, you can use the Purge function to clean up and remove any unused materials. This helps optimize the performance of Maverick Studio by reducing unnecessary clutter in the materials library. After several minutes of testing, I've explored different color combinations for the mandalas. This process is highly valuable as it allows you to visualize and assess how the colors will interact and appear in the final painted product. Taking the time to test different color schemes will undoubtedly benefit your customers, providing them with a variety of ideas and ensuring the creation of premium products that are appreciated by all. Color selection plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic and impact of a mandala, and these tests enable you to make informed decisions that enhance the final outcome. The effort invested in this color experimentation will undoubtedly pay off, resulting in a higher level of satisfaction for both you and your customers. Remember, providing customers with a range of color options and offering guidance can significantly contribute to their creative process and overall satisfaction.